Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix input lag on PS5. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to look for settings on your TV or monitor. So for example, for me, there is an option, game mode. So if I play FPS game, I can select FPS mode. I can select these settings here as well, racing, RTS, FPS and more. So make sure that your monitor or your TV is on game mode, right? And the next step what you need to do here, then you need to go to settings. Here you need to go to accessories and then go to controller and make sure that DualSense wireless controller is up to date, right? And after you do so, then also make sure that your controller, as you can see here, if I go here, communication method, always, if you're getting input lag, always use USB cable because it will be way less input lag with USB cable than via Bluetooth, right? So if you're experiencing input lag, just always use USB cable, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.